meron bang ideal amount para masabing, uy, I'm ready para maging magulang. Kaya para po linawin natin kung ano ba talagang ibig sabihin ng financial readiness bago bumuo ng pamilya, kasama po natin muli ang ating financial expert na si Coach Mark De Vera. Hi Coach Mark!
Hello,
Coach
everyone.
Mark.
Good morning again. Thank you so much for
Para
having me
malaman
here.
natin kung magkano.
Yes.
Oo,
May blueprint.
Tama. Meron ba, kasi kami, hindi kami nakahanda.
Yes.
Pero syempre yung mga kada natin na talagang umaasa from paycheck to paycheck, it's very important for them to really plan ahead for this.
Yes.
Diba? Meron bang tamang halaga?
Yes, actually merong tamang halaga dyan. But it really depends on the income capacity and lifestyle nung both parents, no? So, sabihin na natin, we could just provide a percentage of their income that should be allocated to their needs. Kasi kapag naging magulang na sila, pagiging parent and yung mga pangailangan ng kids is already included dun sa mga needs nila on a monthly expenses, and it should be around 50 to 60% of their income. So ibig sabihin, if you're having an income of 50,000 right now, maybe you can allocate 25 to 30,000 of your income sa needs mo or sa needs ng pamilya nyo so that you could live comfortably.
Gets.
Minsan nga, ako akala ko, minsan nga parang 80% sa kanila.
Ayan.
20% na lang iyo.
So, kung if it's a double income family, halimbawa yung nanay, tatay, pareho nagtatrabaho, how many months dapat yung nakatimbak? Oo.
Yes. So, sabihin na natin a good amount of time or a good percentage is already at 3 to 6 months. Okay, of your monthly expenses. So sabihin natin if you are having an expenses of 40,000, kailangan may natabi na kayong nasa 120 to 240,000, no, para at least if there will be emergencies in the future, prepared kayo. And at the same time, kapag na-complete nyo na yung 120 to 240,000.
Paano yung pangangailangan nila everyday?
yun yung that emergency amount should be allocated na way before. Ibig sabihin, hindi yan yung
Parang savings na siya?
Yeah. Kumbaga, bukod pa sa
Bukod
savings.
pa.
Yan.
Yun lang, oo, bukod pa sa
Kasi ibig
savings,
sabihin-
yun yung dapat
Hindi na sila kumain.
Hindi, yun yung dapat mong maimbak. Yung
Yeah.
equivalent
Oo.
ng
Yes.
3 to 4 months na sinasahod ninyo.
Oo.
Yes.
Habang
But
kumikita
what does
ka.
that
Habang-
look like? Hindi naman tayo naka-vacuum.
Yeah.
So, kailangan i-factor in din natin yung mga pangangailangan nila
Yes,
everyday,
correct.
yung mga
Yeah.
renta, yung mga fuel, transportation, pagkain.
Yes, correct.
So, ang breakdown ngayon ng kanilang sahod should be what?
So sabihin na natin kung sumasahod ka, the 50%
Okay.
should be allocated to your needs.
Okay.
Okay, so yun na yung parang minimum, no? Kung si Miss Luwin nga kaya niya ng 80%, that's your reality.
Oo.
Pero if kaya mo 50%, go for it. Then the another 30%, yun na yung pwede mong laruin sa inyong savings or emergency fund.
Okay.
Okay, then another 20% should be allocated to your wants. At least para nag-e-enjoy pa rin. Pero kung kaya nyong bawasan muna yung wants ninyo. Kasi siyempre,
you wants to have a baby naman, diba?
Once din yan.
Yung 20% na yan.
i-allocate mo muna sa
30.
sa 30%. Tapos, along the way, kung lumaki na yung income, mas gumanda yung yung trabaho, doon na pwede kayong ulit magkaroon ng wants pa, kung kaya na.
Tama.
Yan. Kumbaga, it's a matter of priorities right now.
So 50% dun sa kanilang mga needs,
Yes.
50% dun sa kanilang emergency
Si
fund
fund.
/ baby fund.
Yes, parang ganon.
Oo.
Yan.
At saka kung double income, mas mabilis nilang
Maiipon.
Ma-achieve yan.
maiipon yung
Yes.
120,000
Yeah, 100.
over.
Kung 40,000 ang iyong expenses monthly. Pero kung mas mababa naman yung expenses mo monthly, bababa rin naman yung kailangan nyo munang ipon. Kasi again, I always ask, what is your lifestyle right now? Kaya bang i-maintain yung lifestyle mo nung wala ka pang baby, ngayon na meron ka ng baby, or kailangan mong magbaba muna ng
May
lifestyle
tanong ako.
kaunti?
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.